Just had a massive rant to the camera about current goings on, and it turned off halfway through. So I'll take that as a sign, and I'm not going to bother. So I'm not going to talk about it anymore on here. People can think what they want, put whatever comments you want. I don't really care, to be honest. I'm doing what I think's best. That's it, finished. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's like talking to a brick wall. So there's obviously a lot more I could say on here, but it's just pointless. People will figure it out for themselves. So, right, as for today, what's the plan? Yeah, it's turned into a bit of a slush pit in the car park here. Don't know if I really fancy hanging around. I was thinking about going skiing tomorrow. I just don't like how busy it is. It's so busy. Obviously, because this is the biggest, probably the best resort up here. I don't know. It's just rammed, and obviously now because the other ski resorts have closed, everyone's coming up here because they ain't got nowhere to go. So yeah, I'm not really a fan of it when it's really busy like that. But yeah, I don't know, I'll see how it pans out. Right everyone, so I have made the decision to peace out. Yeah, I'm going to head off the mountain because it's just, the weather's gone shite, but it's just so busy up here. It's not fun how busy it is now. It's pissing it down, and that car park's still rammed, and there's a lot of people up here as well. So I'm just not that arsed really. As for the skiing, the plan is to make my way back round to Aviemore and then go up there again. I think that's where I'm going to meet Marie. So there's a kid driving the dad's car on the lap around the car park. It looked about 2 years old. Yeah, it's gone from winter wonderland up here to slushy mud bath because it's been raining. It's not particularly nice, if I'm honest. So I'm going to have a break, change the seat, go somewhere new. This is what it looks like now. It's still nice, but as you can see, it's starting to melt a bit. Still looks bloody awesome though, look at that. If anything it looks better now, there's a bit of colour. Just epic, no other word for it. That river in the middle is pretty awesome. Look at this for a different change of scene from where we were 10 minutes ago. I'm pretty sure there's no such thing as a boring drive in Scotland. Look at this place. What? Just middle of nowhere. Just had to pull over and have a chill for a minute, folks. Look at this. Gorgeous up here. Carry on, only got 12 miles to go. Yeah, so hopefully it's decent at the next place. Well, this feels much more out the way. Not seeing a single car. Got a good feeling about this one. Road's mad. I've been on it for like 6 miles, just on this tiny little road, twisting around the side of the lock. It's awesome. Just don't think the spot's good at the end of it. Although, looking at this, I feel like it might be. Well, we're here. Just going to check on Park for Night, because there was loads of spots. I'm going to see if there's anything further down. I mean, this is nice, but might be something a little bit better. A random hut in the middle of the field there. Interesting. Well, that's spot number 1. So probably going to give that a miss, if we're honest. That looks like a recipe for a tractor pull. Spot number 2. Again, not a chance. Like a bog. I'd say that'll probably do. Not a lot of 4G, but whatever. Already done my video. A lot of rubbish around here though, which is great. People use bell ends, aren't they? That will definitely do. So, as always, when I get to a new spot, I just end up sitting here for ages, staring out the window. Observing my new surroundings. Never know, might even get the kayak out tomorrow. Oh, this is where it's at, folks. Dinner with a view. There we go, folks. That is this evening's garden. Can have a look in there, see if there's any firewood. I think I did spy a bit down here somewhere though. There you are. Loads of trees down in here. I feel like I'm going to fall over. Is this a leap of faith? Might be. Oh, good. Ouch. Fucking brambles. So quiet. All you can hear is the birds and water. So there's not going to be a photo at the end of this little explore, I'm afraid, because I didn't bring a camera. Like an animal trap here, it's either animals or people. I imagine animals. Yeah, definitely animal trail. Nice bit of poo. Loads of it, look. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. This is another reason why I have the video, you know, because obviously the older you get, your memory starts to go, and the small things like this probably forget. Because I document everything on here, I don't have to walk around spraying out 3,000 photos every day just to try and remember it. So, video well worth doing. And of course you lot get to see it as well, which is an added bonus. A whole circle of trees is cleared, and this guy in the middle, it's just, oh, strong bit of wind. That spindly little thing's coming straight down. It's amazing in here. That tree looks like something off bloody, I don't even know. It's just there in the middle. I just remembered that film. I can't remember the name of it, but it's about the group that go hiking and they're in the forest like this, and there's that weird demon thing with the big horn in the like the village in the forest. You know which one I'm on about? Just that just crossed my mind. Gonna start walking back towards the van. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's disorientating as hell. Do you know which film I'm on about? It's on Netflix. It's quite new, I think. Look at this. Got swings. Oh, there's just rubbish everywhere here. Why? I'll have to do literally that walk I've just done, there's just rubbish all over the place. I saw the first bit, I was like, I'm going to pick that up. And it just keeps going. It's a shame because look how nice it is. What a place. And you just got dickheads like that. Not a chance am I sitting on that thing. I love it here. I'm such an idiot for not spending more time in Scotland. It's like up the road. No ferries, no pissing about. You just one tank of diesel to get up here. Or 2 tanks. And then that's it. Deodorant. Look at that. That's just from my beach. That's not even the other one up there, for f***'s sake. And yeah, you can already see it. That's a bin. Absolute morons. There we go, done my bit. I can't get it all up here till next bloody week. And back to chilling in the cab while there's still a bit of light left. Right folks, before I go today, I'm going to do a little experiment and fire up the old diesel heater and see exactly how much power it uses. 7.6 amps, that's because I've got... Okay, let me unplug that and unplug the monitor. There we go, so that's just the lights now. 2.7 amps. So I've not used this for a while, it's going to smoke like hell. So let's turn it on. So we're at what, 2 point something before, and we're now at 8, 9. I mean, that's a lot of power right there, 12 amps. So that's 10 amps worth. If you can see, that's just firing up now. So we're at 12 amps. So that's drawing 10 amps of power. We've got warm air coming out of it, and it's hovering. Just let this fan kick in properly. So it uses quite a bit of power for the first couple of minutes, but that's fine. Still quite high. I mean, that's sitting at 7 amps now, which take off the, what was it, 2.8, so we'll call it 4 amps because I've got other bits and bobs on as well. Let's turn this off. I think that's on full now, and the monitor's saying 6 amps. You can see that, 6.2. It's less than I thought it was going to be, which is good. Turn it off, don't need it on now. I think the problem that I had before must have been because I had such a big battery bank that I didn't have the capability to charge properly. I could never get the batteries to a good state, and my other battery monitor, that solar panel thing, is so inaccurate, it's a waste of time. So it's on the shutdown cycle now, it's actually jumped to 10 amps. I guess that's burning off the crap left in there, maybe. 13. Wow, so it's actually using more power to turn off than it did to turn on. That's interesting. But yeah, I guess that it seemed like it was using a lot, but actually my batteries were never in a good place in the to begin with. So running, it's using what, 3 or 4 amps, give or take. Obviously that's on full chat. Once it calms down, it will obviously be less, but it's good to know, so I can actually use it more than I thought. I've always been conscious about it because of my experiences in Chamonix, but obviously that was extreme temperatures, so it was just on full blast the whole time, and with my batteries not in a good state, it's no wonder I was struggling for power. So yeah, there you go. Right, I'm going to end this video here because I'm not going to do anything else, so yeah, see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully, if the weather's good, I'll bust the kayak out, give it its maiden voyage. Stay safe everyone, I'll see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.